Hello students, welcome back to the English Danny channel. I'm teacher Sarah. So far, we've learned about how to use more adjectives to improve our English and how to compare things using adjectives. Today, we're going to learn about how to put adjectives in the correct order. Let's get started. Have you ever been confused about how to describe something using several adjectives? When multiple adjectives come before a noun, they have to be put in a particular order. For instance, we say a fat old lady, not an old fat lady, and a small shiny black leather bag, not a leather black shiny small bag. The rules for adjective word order are complicated, but today we'll talk about some of the most important rules. First, adjectives of color, origin, or where something is from, material, or what something is made of, and purpose, or what something is used for, usually go in that order. Color, origin, material, and purpose. Let's take a look at some examples. Black Spanish leather hiking boots. A silver German beer mug. A red silk scarf. An Italian glass flower vase. An oak dinner table. Next, other adjectives usually go before words of color, origin, material, and purpose. Adjectives of size, shape, length, height, and age often come first. Let's look at some examples. The round glass table. Here we see the shape, round, comes before the material. Number 2. A big modern brick house. Here we see the size and age come before the material. Number 3. A tall ancient Cambodian temple. Here we see the height and age come before the origin. Number 4. A long old English book. Here we see the length and age before origin. Adjectives which express judgments or attitudes usually come before other adjectives. Examples are lovely, definite, pure, absolute, extreme, perfect, wonderful, and silly. Here are some examples. Number 1, a lovely long cool drink. Number 2, who's that silly young man over there? Number 3, what a perfect, long, warm summer day. Finally, let's consider numbers. Numbers usually go before all other adjectives. For example, we would say 6 large eggs and the second big storm. First, next, and last most often go before 1, 2, 3, and so on. For example, the first 3 days and my last 2 jobs. Okay, let's get some practice. I'm going to put 3 sentences with mistakes in them up on the screen. Pause the video and try to fix the mistakes. Number 1. I have the French black perfect dress. Number 2. Have you seen those red old brick lovely 3 houses? Number 3. The 3 last weeks were cold. Did you figure it out? Now let's look at the correct sentences. Number 1. I have the perfect black French dress. Number 2. Have you seen those 3 lovely old red brick houses? And number 3, the last 3 weeks were cold. In number 1, the word perfect is a judgment, which means it comes before all other nouns. We also list color, black, before origin, French. In number 2, we see the number 3, which comes first. We also see the judgment word, lovely, which needs to come before other nouns. Age, old, comes before color, red, which comes before material, brick. In number 3, remember that we use words like first, next, and last before numbers. Okay, students, that's it for today's short new English lesson. Please be sure to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more English learning videos from our team of real English teachers. See you next time.